Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing hidden columns in Mbilling and how to hide and unhide them in addition to what their function is. In Mbilling, if you click the down arrow in any column, you will see a column option. This will open a menu with the visible columns and the ones that are hidden. If you click the check next to one that was not marked, it will become visible. You can hide and unhide columns in this manner. Many modules have hidden columns, however, there are not always hidden columns in every module. You can see here that we can hide and unhide columns by clicking the checkboxes. If we go to a different module, we can also check on this. In the Users module, you can see that we also have hidden columns. The one column that's hidden and available in every single module and menu is the code column. This is the ID of the record in the database. This may be handy for more advanced users who need to locate records by ID in the database. The main purpose of hidden columns is to help with advanced filtering. They are not needed all the time, so they are hidden, but with a simple click they can be activated. For example, if we wanted to activate the type of pay column and then filter only customers with prepaid accounts, here we activate the type of pay column, and then we can use a filter. Here you can see that we can filter clients using the new column only by the type of account they have, prepaid or postpaid. Another example is the province column. This can be used to show where the user is located. We then filter We'll hide some other columns so that we can see the results we just made. You can now see that we can only show users who registered in Santa Fe. This is a great example of how to use filtering in hidden columns. Now let's talk about some reasons why we'd want to hide columns. Hiding columns could be useful, for example, in the tariff menu. Let's say the customer wants us to send them the price for a specific destination by email. If we want to copy it from here, we wouldn't want the client to see the buy price and some other columns, so we could hide these. We could then filter, for example, just calls to Mexico. So we can hide, for example, the buy price and the minimums and the rounding values and the trunk, since we wouldn't want the customer to be able to see these. So now we have just columns that we would want the customer to see. Then we could filter the destination to Mexico. We now have a price list for Mexico with columns that are appropriate for the customer to see. Then we'd use the print or the export to CSV option. Clicking the print option will generate a nice PDF file with only the columns that we have visible. This is perfect for giving a price estimate to a customer. In whichever module or menu we had a column in, if we close it and reopen it, the default columns will be visible again. Any hidden columns will no longer be visible once we reopen the module. We would have to select them again. That will conclude this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. This video has been sponsored by Synapse Global, www.synapseglobal.com.